Reading is important because it develops our thoughts, gives us endless knowledge and lessons to read while keeping our minds active. Reading books can help us learn, understand, and makes us smarter. Not to mention the knowledge, vocabulary expansion, and thinking skill we develop. So, read a good book every day. Good morning, students. I welcome you to today's GK class. But today we are going to talk about writings of great men. It is page number 8 of your book. It comes under the heading of language and literature. Let's do that. Before we start the topic, let's see the learning outcomes of this topic. After the completion of this topic, students, you will be able to identify the names of authors for the given books. You will be able to tell the writing of great men. Let's do that. Today we are going to talk about the writings of great men. Many great men have penned down immortal works sharing their invaluable experience. We have some title of books on in the page and we are going to write the correct name of the author against the book written. Let's do. On this we are having book and we have to write the name of the author. The first one is Train to Pakistan, written by Khushwant Singh, published in 1956. It recounts the partition of India in August 1947. The second one, The Home and the World, is a 1916 novel by Rabindranath Tagore. This book illustrated the battle Tagore had with himself between the ideas of Western culture and revolution against the Western culture. Third one, Playing It My Way. It is an autobiography of former cricketer Sachin Tendulkar. It was launched on 5th November 2014 in Mumbai. It summarizes Tendulkar's early days, his 24 years of international career, and aspects of his life that have not been shared publicly. My Country, My Life is an autobiographical book by L.K. Advani, an Indian politician who served as Deputy Prime Minister of India from 2002 to 2004. Wings of Fire is an fifth one. Wings of Fire is an autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India. It was published in 1999. Sixth one, Business at the Speed of Thoughts, is a book written by Bill Gates in 1999. It discusses how business and technology are integrated. The Boy Billionaire, seventh one, was written by Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg, in his own words, This book is the first and the only book to detail the visionary thoughts and opinion of Facebook's founder. It was published in 2012. Eighth one, The Blue Umbrella, is a 1980 Indian novel written by Ruskin Bond. This novel was adapted into a film in 2005 by the same name, which later on won National Film Award for Best Children's Film. Ninth one, Making India Awesome. It was written by Chetan Bhagat. It emphasizes on making our country beautiful. It was published in 2015. Tenth one, Immortals of The Immortals of Meluha was the first book of Amish Tripathi, published in 2010. The of Meluha and starts with the arrival of the told you by the end of this video, you'll be able to identify the names of the author for the given books. You'll be able to write the correct name of the author against the book written. Now I have one task for you to do. You have to find out the bestseller book of this year, that is 2020. Thank you and have a cheerful day.